Navigating a new software platform is never the most fun thing in the world. So I wanted to do a quick little tutorial so that you can see how to get into the Kajabi community since we use this much more than we use Facebook. I'm trying to get people to be much more active in this community than on Facebook for a variety of reasons. So let's try to make all this simple. When you log into Publish a Profitable Book, to access any of your courses or anything that you have paid to be a member of, including the Book Writers Collective, you will see your icon over here on the right. And when you click on it, you will see My Stuff settings and log out. If you click My Stuff, it will show you all of the courses and products that you're a member of. So for the 33 So if you are a member of the Book Writers Collective, once you scroll down, you will find it here, the Book Writers Collective, and you'll click View Product. That will take you right into the collective. And as you can see, it's very much set up like a Facebook group, which I happen to really like. They're continuing to make more and more upgrades and updates to this. And I think it's going to continue to get better and better. You can see over on the right-hand side when the next meetup is. We have these every 2 weeks, every other Tuesday at noon Pacific Standard Time. And you can also write posts just like you would write in a Facebook group. So you'll go ahead and select, you'll just select all members because that's whatever you have access to. I control on my side what access everyone has to what different thing. But the thing I think is most important for you to note is your settings, because this will help to control how you receive information. So what gets set to you, so what gets emailed to you, et cetera, et cetera. So if you go to community settings, so I have some things here that you don't because I'm the leader of the crew or whatever. But if you go on account settings right here, and then you click on notifications on the left-hand side, you can change all of these. So push notifications are going to be notifications that you get on your phone if you have the app installed on your phone, which I do have a walkthrough for as well. I have a link I have a link below that walks you through how to put the Kajabi app on your phone and log in. So a push notification would come to your phone, an email notification would go to your email. So if you want to get announcements, if you want to be notified, I basically get notified of pretty much everything as the sort of leader of the group. One of the things that can be nice is if you want to get a weekly digest of all of the emails. So, not of the emails, sorry, but of all of the posts so that you can kind of keep up with everything, even if you aren't in here. And then you can see what different questions people have posted. And if something's of interest to you, then you can decide to click on it and go in and check it out. I have these turned off because I'm checking this every single day as it is. So I have everything turned on, but you can, well, except that one, but you can certainly turn things on and off based on what you want to see. This is also where you This is also where you can edit your profile and add your picture and your social channels and all these sorts of things if you want to do that to make it visible to other members of the group. It's a great way if you are wanting to share where you are on Instagram or YouTube or Facebook or anywhere else so that you can follow people and we can all start to create even more of a community to be supportive and to repost and share other people's stuff and all that to your stories and whatnot. So I hope that's helpful. Those are the most important settings. You should be getting an email every time we have a meetup. You should get one the day before. It practically over notifies you, which is a little bit frustrating because it'll notify you the day before, it'll notify you the day of, it'll notify you when I go live, and then 10 minutes after I go live, and the whole thing. It might notify you a little bit too much. You can click on this little mail icon or this little flyer icon up here to send direct messages to any other member. All your notifications will be here. You'll see a little green light if you have a new notification that you haven't yet seen. You can click over here on meetups and see when all the next meetups are. You can do see all, and you'll see all of them that are coming up. They're every 2 weeks. You can go back over here to my courses to see everything that you have signed up for or registered for. And all of the recordings of previous author calls are right up here under meetups in recording. So if you missed a call and you want to go back and rewatch, you are more than welcome to do that. Okay, that's that. And I hope that was super helpful.